Wait.
We have...
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jenielle and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm here with my
little sister.
Max with her. Because today, what are we gonna do?
What's inside Eiyah's bag? What's that there?
Why do you have a toothpick inside your bag? Let's make a thumbnail first.
Yeah, let's make it.
Ba't mo akong ginagaya? Ibang post. So, I'm gonna braid her school backpack. So, ako yung magkakantay. Tapos, explain niya kung bakit nasa loob yung mga yon. kung anong nasa loob. So, yeah. So, first, here muna. Here. This side. So, there's a pencil.
Yes, there's a pencil because I have to write at school. Where can I write? I'm just gonna ask.
Oh, by the way, guys, hindi pa siya nagsuschool. Ginawa lang namin to kasi malapit na yung pasukan.
20 more days!
What else? This lang?
Yeah.
Other side.
Other side we have alcohol filter.
Next, we have, what's this? Another pencil?
Another pencil.
Wala ka bang pencil case?
We have thousands of pencils.
Ito, ba't to? Ano to? What's this?
Cursive.
Oh, guys, she's studying cursive.
Yeah.
Next. Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
Put it back.
Put it back.
This side.
Yes, we have one
Here
more thing.
we have... Oh, by the way, this is her bag pala.
That's so nice.
It's what's the... Who
LOL.
are these?
I don't know. I don't watch LOL Surprise.
But it's LOL.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Why are they watching us?
Chismosa.
Here you have... Oh! What's
A face mask
this?
holder.
For
The face mask.
So,
If I drop it, it will just go to my...
we have paper again, guys. Okay. Let's put it out. And then we'll just put it in.
Oh! What was that there? What was that
Why do you have a grip inside your bag? Do you even use conditioner?
No!
Why do you-
I don't know. Where did
Why
that
do you
come
have like
from?
this?
I don't know. Tell mommy. She's the one that read my bag.
Why do you have conditioner?
I have no idea.
You bought it in rescue. You're gonna shower in your school.
No.
Nagko-conditioner ka ba, sis?
Yeah.
Hindi. Next, here naman sa harap.
So let's see what's in the front.
Wait.
We have... What's that there?
Why do you have a toothpick inside your bag?
I don't...
Are you pranking me?
No. I You did this. You
Wait.
did this.
What do you mean? Don't even touch your bag. Explain to the vlog why you have toothpick. Is it because mommy always asks you for some toothpick?
I have no idea why that's there.
How did it get
So,
inside your bag?
my toothpick disappeared. I was getting a toothpick and then it disappeared. So that's what.
Oh, umis na siya.
Aww.
Aww.
We have to end vlog. Bye guys.
Guys, so first weird thing is conditioner. I thought yun lang yun, pero bakit meron toothpick, sis? Are you
It disappeared and it
pranking me?
teleported.
Next we have
Eraser.
eraser.
Because I have to erase my
And then we have pencils again.
a lot of
Bunch
pencils.
of pencils. Lots of pencils.
I think I throw trash in there.
Lots of pencils. And then there's a bond paper. It's drawing. Wow! You read it for them.
Sina Tom at Jerry ay magkaibigan. Tumatakbo ang pusa sa loob
That's it.
ng bahay.
May kalat na tasa, guys, sa loob. So, hindi ko siya mapakita
Vivo. I used to draw Vivo a lot.
so that's all here. That's all.
But it's back.
watching this vlog.
The inside of the bag, of
Ah, wala
course.
pa. Sorry po. Grabe, I can't believe why do you have...
I have no idea.
Anong tell you after this video?
You are the one that put this there.
Ba't ako? Wala, hindi ko nga pinapakailaman yung bag mo eh. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I have no idea why that's there. Inside of the bag we go. What is?
Oh, you're so sweet.
What is that there?
So sweet, guys.
What is that
Yes.
there?
There's a family picture inside her bag. She loves us very much. I think you're gonna cry.
No.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You shut your mouth.
You have a family picture inside your bag.
Random
I
things
think
go
it's because she's gonna miss us when she goes to her school now.
No.
So, oh, she's so sweet, guys. She's the best sister ever.
Random things goes here.
Why are you laughing? It's the sweetest thing ever.
Next.
Okay, then. So, next thing is... What? What are you whispering?
Ah, it's a secret for only me and guys.
No, when I'm editing that, I don't know what's gonna... Oh, so you have a blue,
Tiny glue.
and you have a pencil case. Yet your pencils are everywhere.
Yeah.
Another, guys. Kalat-palat na naman yung mga pencils niya, look. Look. Ay!
I thought this is a random thing.
Me too, I thought it's a random thing. Okay, then there's scissors. There's some
Yeah,
scissors.
panda Caesar.
And lots of pencils. And this cute ball pen.
That I don't use a lot.
You're just in
Hard.
second grade. You don't use ball pen. We have some ruler.
Yes, ruler. This is supposed to be pink, but I think there's a mistake. I had a pink ruler.
And then
one.
some notebooks.
I have 8 notebooks.
One.
2, 3,
Oh, that's all.
5. And I also have crayons, and I have paper, and I have more paper.
And it's gone. It's gone. Done. Thank you guys.
This is so fast.
That's it, guys.
That's it, guys. There's so many trash. But this is my precious heart.
Oh, see, so it's really you who put that inside.
No! This is my precious heart.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.
I hope you enjoyed that. I want to go now. It's so
No
fast.
way. And that's it, y'all. Hope
Oh.
you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to
Give
leave
us
a
a big thumbs up.
And yeah,
Please like and subscribe.
stay safe and love you all. I just realized you can't end this yet. I have very important thing to say.
What?
It's a
Frank?
prank! It's a... Oh! Huwag ka.
I wanna-
Uy, nakikita ka nila.
Aww. I'm
It's a
lagging.
prank!
See? I told you guys, but you didn't listen to me. Because you listened to that liar.
Parang ang laki ng kasalanan ko. Nilagay ko lang naman to sa bag. Ay, hindi ko na na-vlog nung nilalagay ko kasi nagmamadali. Pero, actually, dapat nga mas marami pa akong nilagay. Pinagsisiyan ko, ito lang nilagay ko. But, were you convinced that
Nah, not even a single bit.
Talaga. Ano, we're not sisters anymore. You say that?
We're not sisters anymore. We're not sisters anymore.
Ano, we're not sisters? Recreate the ano. It's a matter. Okay, I'm gonna say it's a prank, and then you're gonna say I knew it, and then you're gonna say like that. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. It's a prank!
I knew it.
I knew it. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Close it. Close it. Close it. Cover it. No, you put like
Now that I
that.
close the camera.
You put like this. Like this.
Okay. Pew!